Hello everyone, how you doing? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Realme Narzo 20 or Narzo 10A ear speaker not working problem. So before you start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing ear speaker or front calling speaker not working problem in Realme Narzo 20 or Narzo 10A, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings icon. So first just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.